Fear is a powerful emotion that shapes much of our behavior and outlook on life. But why do we experience fear the way we do? And how does it influence our thoughts and beliefs? Fear isn't just a byproduct of modern life, it's deeply rooted in our neurology. At the core of this response is the amygdala, a small almond-shaped part of our brain responsible for primal emotions like rage, hate, and most importantly, fear. As authors Peter Diamandis and Stephen Kotler explain, the amygdala is our early warning system, always on high alert, scanning our environment for anything that might threaten us. This constant vigilance means that fear has a special place in our brains, making us anxious even under normal conditions. Once stimulated, the amygdala becomes hypervigilant, heightening our sense of danger and uncertainty. This neurological wiring is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it has helped our species survive by keeping us alert to potential threats. But on the other, it predisposes us to see the world through a lens of fear and negativity, even when the danger isn't real or immediate. This fear response is not just about immediate threats, it also shapes our broader worldview. Neuroscientist and psychiatrist David M. Terman describes how paranoia, ranging from a vague sense that the world is out to get me, to more severe delusions of persecution, can manifest as a result of this heightened state of fear. This paranoia can lead to a general hostility and suspicion toward the world, further fueling a cycle of anxiety and fear. Some psychologists suggest that when people feel under threat, they tend to simplify their thinking, resorting to black and white, dualistic views of the world. This kind of thinking is a defense mechanism against the anxiety caused by conflicting ideas. By dividing the world into categories like safe versus threat or good versus evil, we create a sense of certainty and control, even if it distorts reality. This tendency to see the world in simplistic, dualistic terms is also reflected in certain religious beliefs. Kevin J. Flannelly's research on evolutionary threat assessment systems, ETAS, a branch of evolutionary psychology, explores how fear influences our perceptions of the divine. Flannelly and his team found that people who believe in a loving, benevolent God tend to have better psychological well-being than those who believe in a punitive God. This suggests that our relationship with fear can shape not only our mental health, but also our spiritual lives. Flannelly also says, the most important question faced every day by all animals, including humans, is whether their immediate environment is dangerous or not. Yet, it's important to recognize that this fear response, while deeply ingrained, can be managed. Understanding the role of the amygdala and the psychological mechanisms behind fear can help us mitigate its effects. By becoming aware of how fear influences our thinking, we can challenge the dualistic, paranoid views that often accompany it. The psychology of fear isn't just about survival. It's about how we navigate the complexities of life. It's about how we view the world, reality, and our own happiness. Whether through our beliefs, our worldview, or our everyday anxieties, fear plays a significant role in shaping who we are. But by understanding its roots, we can learn to approach life with a clearer, more balanced perspective.